guys, I'm Muskan Shrestha and I'm back with another amazing video in my channel. And today video, the theme is Valentine's Day. As you guys know, it's Valentine Day. I wish you everyone happy Valentine Day. And if you guys are interested how I acquired this look, so keep on watching the video till the end. Thank you. So let's get into the video.
Moisturize the area where I am going to apply my makeup. I am using Fevicol as an adhesive. Take a piece of a cotton strand, dip it in Fevicol and then apply it over your cheek and make a shape of a heart. I am using an end of the brush to even out the shape. Work on it till you get the desired shape you want. Now fill the inner part of the heart with some small pieces of cotton and apply adhesive to it. Let it dry for some time and then apply foundation over it. Make sure you cover all the whitish part of that cotton. And for the next cheek, I am going to do a next technique. First, make a heart shape with the help of a brush and adhesive and then apply cotton over it and then apply some more adhesive to it. Just play around it and make the proper shape you want. Let it dry and apply some more foundation to it. I'm taking some honey and red food coloring, and if you have a black color or black food coloring, you can use it and then mix it well and start to apply over the wound you made. Don't worry if it gets messy because blood is all about messy. So just be creative. Now I am applying some red painting color over my wound as it gives more depth and redness to the wound. Do it on both sides. Now applying some more fake blood over it. Now take a small piece of cotton and just dab around the wound to create that redness effect. Just be creative how the wound would look in real. Just make a shape of a small heart I made out of the blood.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and support me and love me as you are loving me now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.